most important thing you can do to be bird friendly is to plant native plants. And that's actually why Houston Audubon started the Natives Nursery.
The Natives Nursery is where we propagate all real deal natives. Seed is collected from local sources here in Houston and surrounding areas, and we are sure to use no pesticides. It's a really cool place to come and see the plants that were in Houston before people came in.
I'm just a believer in native plants, from trees down to prairie plants and grasses.
These plants are just amazing. Last year we had Hurricane Harvey. My yard was under 2 feet of water for a week. After the floodwaters went away, my native plants were still there. Some of them never even stopped blooming. And then we had the worst freeze that we probably have had in maybe 10 years, and still those plants were indestructible. So these are plants that belong here. They know how to grow here, and this is the environment that they should be in.
We try to have plants of all the different levels. So we have some ground cover like Texas frog fruit, which will stay very low and have these really cute little flowers. And then we have some medium level plants like blue sage, which also is a beautiful flower. And then you have our Texas coneflower, which is one of our favorite plants in the nursery. Those will get as tall as me and have these beautiful yellow flowers.
I think when you see a mixture of things together, there's nothing like a grass as a backdrop and then one of these wildflowers in front.
You can start with one plant. You can experiment, see what one plant does in your yard and what it might attract.
On Friday mornings, we're open from 8 to 11 to sell to the public. And if you come in during that time frame, we've got some amazing volunteers here who are just experts with these plants. Our goal is to always have different levels and different flowering times, so your garden is always looking really cool.